Hey there, it is Dr. Tracy, and I am so excited to share with you that I have revamped my Rock Your Resume course. And if you have not updated your resume in the past, say 6 months, 12 months at most, then this is something that could be very beneficial for you. If you're somebody who values the ability to do it yourself, like me, this course is going to be amazing for you because there are over 2.5 hours of video tutorials, there's templates, there's a workbook, all of the great information that you could leverage to build out your resume and make it a quality product is in this course. The thing that makes it even beyond better than it could be is there is an AI integration. So I have leveraged ChatGPT. I talk a little bit about a site called JobScan as well. But we focus on ChatGPT and how can AI not let you cheat in creating your resume, but really add value and help you to tell your story and the value that you bring to an organization. So I just wanted to come into your inbox, share that with you. If you're interested, click the button below. You can find out more on the sales page there. I am doing a beta through July 25th, and it doesn't mean you need to complete the course by then, but it's available to up to 50 people by July 25th to get access into the course and all the goodies and some freebies and opportunities for discounted upgrades as well. So I encourage you again, click the button, learn a little bit more about what is available there. If it's something that maybe isn't just for you at this moment, I do encourage you to forward this to a friend that may be in need of it. It's a great value for all that you get. The actual value is over $2,000. So if you're in need again, and if you have not updated your resume in 6 to 12 months at most, this is an amazing tool. If you don't want to do it yourself and you would rather somebody do it for you, reply to this email, let me know, and I'll let you know some of the services that are available that I offer to do that just for you. Thank you for listening, and I hope you have a great day.